Okay guys, so today I'm going to share with you my top 2 ways to flavor my fall time coffee. Both very simple, very easy, only 1 ingredient needed per flavor. So let's get into it. Alright, so my number 1 go-to to flavor coffee is maple syrup. It's a very big thing of maple syrup, and as you can tell, we use a lot of it, and most of it we use in coffees. But all you do is put 1 to 2 tablespoons of maple syrup in your coffee. Probably around the 1 tablespoon mark is the best. And there you go. Stir it in. There you go. Very tasty, very easy. Probably one of the healthiest flavorings in coffee you can get. So that is our go-to. Very easy, very simple. I already told you, and I haven't even been recording for a minute. That's the second one. It is also easy, also simple, but you do have to do a little bit of prep work in it. And as you can tell, my toddler is running in the background, but that's what happens whenever you're a mom. So we're gonna take our sweetened condensed milk. We are going to make dulce de leche. I will link a recipe in the description box below. And we are going to dump this out into a pan inside of a roasting dish, put water around it, and bake it for a little while. I'll show you what it's like afterwards. It comes into like a caramel flavoring, but without all the sugar and unhealthy part of it. Okay, we have a toddler in bed for nap time, and so we are getting this dulce de leche done. We poured it into our pie dish, put it inside of a roaster, filled water up it after we put aluminum foil on it, and then we will let it sit in there. Let me check. Let's see. The recipe says to put it at 425 and let it bake for 1 hour and 45 minutes and check it periodically to make sure it still has enough water in there, which I know I will have to do because I have such a shallow roasting dish that it is in. So I will have to add more water as it goes on, and we will have dulce de leche in 1 hour and 45 minutes. guys, so we have our coffee. It is hot coffee. It has a tablespoon or one of these of dulce de leche in it, and it tastes very good. I might even put a second one in there. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I just want to let y'all know that you are loved, you are appreciated, and you are needed. Have a great and blessed day, and thank you so much. Bye.